Hi friends, I'm Sharath. I'm a progressive farming. Since 2 years, I'm doing my farming. Today in this video, we will see what are the macro and micronutrients required for plants and all. Generally, in this diagram, you see the major nutrients. Generally, the for plant we will get from land only. Land is the biggest source. After that, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Secondary ones are calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Third one, iron, zinc, copper, boron, manganese, molybdenum. We will see what are these micronutrients. How we are gonna predict that deficiencies in plants and all. We will see. Here in this particular diagram, we will see the portion of that micronutrients which are required for the plants and all: boron, chlorine, ferrous, iron, manganese, zinc, copper, molybdenum, and nickel. Generally, whenever these particular micronutrients is deficient, now immediately the plant will show it off. In this particular cotton plant, this is the deficiency of zinc. Okay, the white patches was there, the tilted leaf, that was the zinc deficiency. In this, the leaves are turning and the patching work is that this is the boron deficiency. Here in this is the iron deficiency. Actually, many more farmers are talking about my plants are getting yellow kind of thing. Okay, that is the iron deficiency. And this one molybdenum deficiency, that outer layers are getting yellow and that stemming side it will become light green. The this deficiency is that calcium deficiency. If the calcium deficiency is not even, we can't get good fruit and kind of thing also. Even sometimes we will get the tearing of that leaves and all. This is the manganese deficiency. The veins are in green color, rest of the portion was in yellow color. This is the most commonly visible symptom in all the plants. This is the sulfur deficiency. Yeah, this is also mostly we can see in our plants. Okay, because nowadays we are not at all keeping any organic manure and all. Okay, one more study I done regarding these micronutrients. Generally, plants have required some micronutrients, but they won't show that in their leaves and all. That is what we call as a hunger, hidden hunger. In this graph, you see hidden hunger. If that is the deficiency, that will affect on the top yield. Generally, we will see what exactly the hidden hunger. Hidden hunger refers to a situation in which a crop needs more of a given nutrient, yet has shown no deficiency symptoms. But what happens, the crop don't show the symptom of the particular sulfur deficiency and all, but what will happen, that definitely impact that yield. The hidden hunger is taken, used to describe a plant that shows no obvious symptom, yet the nutrient content is not sufficient to give the top profitable yield. What we thought we will get good amount of yield and all, okay, finally we won't get that, because that is the problem of that hidden hunger. Generally, you see nowadays we farmers are using only hybrid seeds. Okay, before our ancestors used for before 30 to 40 days back, they are going for desi kind of seeds, then there is no problem for these symptoms and all. Nowadays we are only applying more fertilizer, more pesticides and more fungicides. Then these hybrids only we will get that good yield and all. Okay, any small deficiency in micronutrients, the hybrid will immediately show it off in that structure. We will correct these deficiencies by applying in soil or by spraying in that leaves and all. We can easily correct them. If we are gonna correct them, means we will get good kind of yields. Okay, sometimes most of the farmers will they get confused that okay, whether this is the fungicide, whether this is fungus effects, or these are the micronutrients and all. But in India, according to my study and all, no one bother about this micronutrients kind of thing. Only they will pour only urea kind of thing. Okay, if they are keep on spraying urea, then what will happen? Actually, that gets that is attacked for more fats and all. These you have to keep in mind. Thank you farmers. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.